Hey, Mr. Dog, out there on the west side, 27 in the field, and I'm back quiet.
Who's that doing all that audio in my radio like that? Who's that doing all that audio in my radio like that? Just talking my cute over my big brother. Who is that? That 144 in Indiana, I want to know. You don't want to coast over in the radio.
Hey, Doc 144. It's been a long time since we got to spoke. Hello to you, Doc 144. Hello to you, Doc 144. Doc 144, you're buzzing around the northwest corner and I bang.
Dog, I'm gone now. I see you too low. I'm gone.
You said you ain't coming back with the road jacket, don't bring your black glass back. Hey, 105, you said you finna go? Well, hit the road jacket, don't bring your black glass back. 105, Switchblade. Get him down. All good, all good, all good, all good, all good, all good. I'm back. I didn't hear you, you just can't hear me. Doc 144 pointed out down south and getting talking out west. Well, I tell you, I don't know what's going on with this junk, but I'm gonna get out of here and leave it alone. They're all around the west side, they're all down south. Doc 144 in Indiana, back on the mail. I'm almost at my destination. Take care, 709, direct to God, get him down.
Dog, do me a favor, tell my neighbor 25 to 27 says good Saturday to him if you can, man.
Hello, Doc 144. Hello, Doc 144. Hello to you, Doc 144. You're buzzing around the northwest corner and I bang.
Buzz, and I'm back quiet.
Man, I don't know how to work it. Let me put my house in that way, brother. Go right back in there, brother, in the northwest corner. I'll meet you then. So what's wrong with it?
Yeah, right, know that about it. I had to turn my house your way too. Hey, Doc 144, I had to turn my duck shucking house your way too. I had it going southeast, know that about it. Hello to you, Doc 144. You're buzzing northwest corner and I bang.
Rocket Man 3009, cruising this little striker mobile, Wylie, Texas, we're standing by. And I thank you, and I'm going to you.
Hey, dog, you still out here?
Hey, Doc 144, where you go? Hey, Doc 144, where you go? Doc 144 buzzing around Oregon and I bang.
Dog 0509 in Mississippi. Yeah, you still messing with them boys. Come on, buzzing around Oregon, old Doc 144 in Indiana trying to get it back. Worldwide buzzing, old Doc 144 trying to get it right back. Come on.
Ain't no doubt about it, you ain't trying. I just ain't talked to you in a while. Hey, Doc 144, I ain't talked to you in a while, man. We should be linked up right now, no doubt about it, if you turn your house. Hello to you, Doc 144. Doc 144, you're buzzing around the northwest corner, and I'm calling you, Bray.
Yeah, come. Yeah, come, brother. I'm trying to
You looking, Doc 144. And you looking, Doc 144. I ain't talked to you in a while. I just want to say hello to you, man. See how you doing. Hey, Doc 144, you ain't trying. You did what you had to do so we can let it go now. No doubt about it. Doc 144, you have a great weekend because I care. Hello to you, Doc 144. Your buzz in Northwest Corner and I just bang. And that right, doctor, no doubt about it. You got it right, man. You sounding good. You got a lot of people in there trying to out-talk you, bro, but you out front. Hey, Doc 144, you out front. You got a lot of people trying to out-talk you, but you out front. Hey, Doc 144, you have a great weekend. Appreciate the comeback, man. It was a pleasure on this duck shucking in. Doc 144, your buzz in Northwest Corner, and I just bang.
I'm back on and everything. You should have kind of got that audio straightened up a little bit. You should have kind of got that audio straightened up just a wee bit. Well, I appreciate you letting me know I straightened it up a little bit, brother. Good evening to you once again in the Northwest Corner. Your brother, your doctor, downtown, trying to get it right back. Come on.
Hey, Doc, 144 is cleaned up enough. Hey, Doc, 144, you plain, you clear, and you talking, no doubt about it. You sound like Doc 144. All right, Doc 144, I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I might have to turn my house back southeast, but I had to move it on up your way, Doc 144. Your buzz in northwest corner, and I bang.
On the plate.
And I'm going to be down one more time, let you know I owe it you, and I'm going to back it on down to the back on the flat side, buzzing around in northwest corner. Doc 144 is going to get back and lead to me. I'll get that with you. Hey.
Doc 144, your buzz in northwest corner. Good day.
Maybe they're thanking him. You ought to be thanking me. Hey, Buzzer, you don't need to thank him for nothing. You need to be thanking me, Buzzer, the Mouse.
Hey, Arthur, you know I always thank you when you don't drop the hammer in my ear like you just did. Hey, Arthur, you know that I always respect the fact that you let him talk. Hello to you, Arthur Buzzard Bay.
Tell you, Buzzer. Well, I appreciate that on that side, no doubt about it, Mike. Well, I know you appreciate it because some other folks you like to talk to, and I know how that goes from time to time. By the way, just like I said before, you sure sound bodacious and grand. Buzzard, I'm getting down.
Isn't that right? Ain't that right? No doubt about it, Arthur. If I sound half as good as you today, man, I said, listen to Arthur rock. I couldn't get to you, but man, I said, listen to Arthur rock. He rocking. And I said, but you know what? That's a forever sound, no doubt about it. Hello to you, King Arthur. King Arthur, your buzz in northwest corner. And I banked all the way left now. Good day.
Good day, Buzzer. We come out there and put... Said I knew you was home. Bye-bye-bye.
Feed that bird. You need to feed him. You need to feed him. And Buzzard, you need to feed that bird, Buzzard. Credit card gone.
705 up there.
Hey, credit card. If I feed him, you in trouble. Hey, credit card. If I feed him, you in trouble. I don't want him just out there killing for the hell of it. Hello, credit card. Buzzard bank left. As I end this gate, your northwest corner biggest duck, and I bank left.